Hi, my name's Dr. Amir Khan and I'm an NHS GP. Masks have now been made mandatory in shops, so it's important we put them on and take them off with minimal contamination. So I'm going to show you a quick, speedy way on how to do that. Follow me. Right, the most important thing is hand washing. Always really important. Soap and water. Make sure you wash your hands properly for 20 seconds. You can sing happy birthday twice if you want. The last time I did that, someone walked in on me here and thought it was my birthday and I was just having a sad little birthday sing-along, so I don't do that anymore. Make sure you get your wrists as well. All parts of your hand need to be covered for that hand wash. We don't want to dirty our masks. Right, now give them a good dry. Then we're going to go over to our masks. Now I've got this mask here. Cheap and easy to buy in most supermarkets and shops that are local to you. It's not a medical mask. It looks a bit like one, but it isn't. When you're putting this on, make sure the pleats are facing downwards. But you don't have to use one of these. Any kind of tightly woven cloth with elasticated edges is fine. Right, so we don't want to touch the front of the mask. Use the elasticated edges over one ear at a time. Then press along the nose to make a tight seal. Pinch it there and pull down under the chin so you've got a nice seal there again. Make sure there are minimal gaps all along the sides to stop germs from getting out. And that is really important. And that is how you put on a mask. I'm just going to show you quickly what not to do. Don't put your mask like this because you want to breathe through your nose. Germs will come out of there. Don't take it off to talk to people. Germs are coming out of there. Okay, let's go back to what it should look like here. When you come back and you want to take it off, remember, avoid touching this bit because it's contaminated. We're going to just remove our earpieces. If it's a disposable mask like this, it just goes straight in the bin when you come in. If it's a washable mask, you put it in the wash, dry it and use it again. Remember, when you've taken your mask off, to wash your hands again. Happy birthday. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. And that is how you wear a mask. You put it on and take it off. Easy peasy.